Okay, it's Freddie Sherman, and this is the 2022 Rolls-Royce Ghost Black Badge, and I'll show you what it can do. Okay, and then this is where the power comes from. 6 3/4 liter V12 engine, twin turbo. Of course, made at their factory by hand in Goodwood, England. That's where all the power comes from. Also, it's cool, like a sports car, if you notice, look at the center line of the wheels and how far back the engine is. It's almost behind the front wheels. And that's for a little bit better weight distribution. And something cool, the Spirit of Ecstasy goes down into the hood like this. You can drive around with it down. And the Spirit of Ecstasy is hidden down there. And then you can have it come up. Or you can drive like this if you want to be a little more low-key. And then this is the covering that covers it up to fill the hole where it sticks out through the hood, because now it actually sticks through the hood. See that? And of course, like every Rolls-Royce, you have what they call coach doors, which means that your rear doors open like this, because that gives you more easier access to the rear, more convenient for your passengers. And of course, like every Rolls-Royce, you have your Rolls-Royce Umbrellas. You push the button, and then you can pull the umbrella out, see? And the purpose of that is so you can pull it out and put it up so your passengers don't get wet. These have carbon fiber shafts, and they are $800 a piece. And this one is very nice with that black and turquoise color to match the interior of your car. And then they store right in there like that, and you always push it in till it clicks, or else it'll dent the car. So you can't open the trunk with the remote. You just push that button like that. And you'll see we do have a very deep, very large trunk area for all your luggage or golf clubs or whatever you need to carry around. And then to close it, we have a button up here. We also have a universal lock button, which will not only close the trunk, it will lock the whole car. But if you push that, you can see. There you go.